Hello YouTube. This is the door frame for the stove that I'm building. It'll be 7 inches square, 7 by 7. Took a couple pictures of that. I decided to braze this. I know welding can be a mess no matter how good you are with an arc welder. These little corners were left over from chopping off the 45. I used them as gussets, had them clamped in here, and then I brazed that so that would be solid. And had a little bit of gap on the ends here, which I brazed in. I brazed the inside first so the brazing wouldn't fall through. It is pretty flat. There's really no rock to it. You put it on this flat plate. This is my 10-inch top, which I'll have in another video, and I was cutting the propane tank out. So that's what I clamped it to. I have a picture of it snapped where I used clamps, clamped it down, had it hanging over the edge. Get that frame kind of like that. So I had it all open. Turned out pretty nice. A little bit of paint. Also, I put the angle iron the same way. If you look at angle iron, this kind of had little lines running through it. When I made all this, I made it all the same size, just in case there was a difference in manufacturing. But real short video on this. I don't know what I'm going to call this stove yet, so this will just be named door frame or something for stove. In the future we'll have a name and parts for it. But there we go. Good old brazing. Turned out pretty flat. I thought about maybe cutting this 1/2 inch bigger so the door opening's bigger. Might as well give a measurement on that. Door opening will be about 5 1/8 by 5 1/8, but you got to remember, you might get an odd piece of wood. That's like 7 1/4 diagonal, so can't complain there. Of course, you're going to be even bigger out here, but this is the frame for it. I'll snap another picture of the propane tank so you can kind of see where the door is going to go. We're going to put it this way. I had ones like this with a gasket. You could still put a gasket, probably not even notice some gussets in there. That's a lot of Dremel work, a lot of cleaning work. We're going to put this way with no gasket, just flat. Being this turned out straight, there's not going to be much gap, there's not much warp. I use a piece that's 3/16, so that's pretty flat. So, long enough video. Talk too long, I'll add some pictures. Thanks again for watching.